Here's the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So let's go ahead and connect, okay? So let me first open this up right here. And if it's not paired to a different device, it should pop up here. If you have the Samsung wearable app, you have a Samsung phone, you already have it, but you have another Android phone and you downloaded the Samsung wearable app, even on your Windows PC or computer, if you have the wearable app, then this should pop up when this is in pairing mode. So really quickly, let me just connect this way and I'll show you another way to connect as well, okay? So now we're connecting to the wearable app. You can't do this if you're on an iPhone because the Samsung wearable app is not in the Apple store, at least not right now. So here, let me just connect. You just got to agree to some of those. Let me take that off. I'm going to tap on agree down here. I'll tap on next, next. And it says that you're all set, and voila. Now we're connected. Now let me show you how to connect this without using the Samsung wearable app. Okay, so let me go ahead and just unpair these earbuds here so it's completely gone. Okay, now we're going to start back over. Okay, so I'm going to close the lid here. And now I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And if it's not paired to a different device and you have the Samsung wearable app, it should pop up on there. And it popped up here, but we're going to close this. We're going to pretend you don't have the Samsung wearable app, or maybe this pop-up didn't pop up. So from here, it should be in pairing mode. So we're just going to go directly to settings here. And then you want to go to connections or your Bluetooth settings. So let me go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'm going to tap on there. And now I'm going to scroll down here. Make sure that spinning thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. So let me go down here. And these should show up down here somewhere under available device. Okay, it's not showing up here, all right? Now, let me just manually put this in pairing mode. There's a button here on the bottom here with the buds in here, the case open. Let me press and hold and just wait till I get some lights flashing there. I'm holding the button on the bottom. Just wait. Okay, now when it turns like that blue, red, green, it's in pairing mode now manually, okay? And this will pop up again. I can close that and we should find it on here as well. Where's it at? All right, let me just rescan again. Oh, there it is right there, okay? And now we can connect this way without using the wearable app, okay? And you get a Bluetooth request here for the Android phones, tap on pair. And voila, we're connected back, but you can also go into the settings here, go to Bluetooth connections, and then you can see, if you tap on Bluetooth, you can see that the Galaxy Buds is right there. If you have any kind of issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.